What's good YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another video for you guys. So last year it seemed like the sneaker community as a whole gave the Jordan 3 Maniere the sneaker of the year crown. Those were pretty clean, but unfortunately if you haven't already grabbed a pair by now, they're going for a lot of money on the resale market. But luckily this year Jordan brand has blessed us with a very good alternative. Easily the cleanest pairs of Jordan 3s to drop this year. I will be reviewing the Jordan 3 Muslin. So what is good, guys? Shout out to all of my long-term viewers, and if you are new on the channel, my name is Josh. I do sneaker reviews, but I bet a lot of you already know that because looking at my viewership, most of you guys watching my videos aren't even subscribed to the channel. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out, and give me a follow on these platforms as well. I'm pretty active there too. So in this video, I will be breaking down this pair. We'll get into the colorway and also all of the features about the shoe that make it different than your regular Jordan 3s. I'll give you sizing tips, we'll look at the resale prices, tell you whether these are worth it, and as always, I will be giving you that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video. So there you have it, the Jordan 3 Muslin, one of the cleanest pairs we've seen drop this year from Jordan brand. These did release officially March the 25th in America and March the 31st here in Europe, and it seemed like these were pretty tough to get. They were quite limited. I knew that Soulbox here in Berlin were doing a first come first serve on the day of the release. So I just showed up to the store like 10 minutes before they dropped, and there weren't that many people in line. There were like less than 5 people. So I was able to easily grab my size. So shout out to Soulbox for that. But let's get into the shoes now, starting off with this very clean box you see right here. A very clean two-toned cream colored box. And getting into the shoes themselves, let's talk about this colorway first. The colorway on most of this upper, it's done in this muslin colorway, which can be described kind of like a darker beige. And contrasting this, you have these hits of cream that you see on the midsole and also along the eyelets of the shoe. You also get this very nice hit of cement gray. You get some panels at the front and back. And finally, the last color is this Chicago Bulls red. You see the Jumpman logo on the tongue, and maybe my favorite part about the shoe, the heel counter. It just looks really nice with that Jumpman logo. Of course, we would have preferred the Nike Air. Yeah, from a colorway point of view, you really can't complain. Very similar, of course, to the Manieres. That pair featured a white upper. This pair, however, goes for that much darker beige tone. And there are quite a few differences between this pair and a regular Jordan 3. The first and most obvious one being the materials used on the shoe. So the upper of the sneaker, most of it is done in this canvas material. You may like that, you may not. Personally, I would have preferred if they just used leather on this pair. Canvas, not really my favorite material. And guys, if you're gonna wear this shoe, I suggest don't wear it around ketchup, mustard, wine, coffee, basically anything that you could possibly spill on this shoe, because if you do spill some liquids on this upper, good luck getting rid of those stains. It's not going to be easy. Another pair that I own that is made out of canvas are these Air Force Ones Travis Scott, still my favorite Travis Scott shoe to release. And on this pair you can see another negative about having a canvas upper. As you can tell, it doesn't look very good after getting creased. It does crease pretty easily, as you can see by these very visible crease marks on my pair. So just something to keep in mind when you're wearing the shoe. I'm not by any means saying that don't buy these. They're a great looking pair, but just be careful, of course, about how often you wear these. Of course, another thing missing on this pair that you normally see on Jordan 3 is the elephant print. Instead, on this pair, you just get these gray suede panels. If you are a Jordan 3 purist, you probably hate this, but I actually think it looks great on this pair. It also looked really good on the Manieres. You get 2 pairs of laces with the shoe. One of them is supposed to match the upper, however, it doesn't really. It seems to be closer to the color on the midsole. And you also get a contrasting gray pair, which I actually think looks really good on this shoe. Now, when it comes to sizing, Jordan 3 is for me one of the trickiest shoes when it comes to sizing. In my experience, when I have gone true to size in this shoe, I just have way too much heel slippage. But then if I go a half size down, I feel like it's way too tight in the toe box area. So for me, the right size has been to go down half a size and remove the insole. For most people, I think you can comfortably go down half a size from your true size for Jordan 3s. The sizing on this pair is no different than a regular Jordan 3 I tried on the Cardinal Reds, and this I thought maybe because of the different materials, these might fit a bit tighter. But no, for me, both of these Jordan 3s, I still would go down half a size. And just to give you some comparison, for me, I am true to size in Jordan 1s, true to size in 4s. Same with Nike Dunks, I do wear a half size down in Air Force 1s and also the 3s. Let's have a look at prices real quick on these. So they're not going for a whole lot above retail right now. So if you actually were thinking of buying, I do suggest buying them right now at these prices. I think they're a pretty decent bargain, especially compared to what the Manieres are going for. You're getting a very similar colorway, pretty much the same outfits that you would normally wear in the Manieres, you would wear it in these. So I do think value for money, these are pretty decent. Jordan 3s are still pretty popular and this colorway is super clean, so expect these prices to continue to creep up. So would suggest if you guys want to cop, go ahead and cop right now. I will leave a StockX affiliate link in the description. Overall, the Jordan 3 Muslins, are these a cop or a drop? If you already have the Manieres, you definitely can give these a pass. If you really wanted that pair and you just didn't want to pay that kind of crazy price, then these are definitely a good alternative. The colorway is really great. Love the hits of red on the shoe as well. I'm going to give it a pass because I'm not a big fan of the canvas material. And also, of course, long-term viewers on the channel know this about me. I'm not really a big Jordan 3s guy. Although I love the 4s and I know they look very similar, but for some reason the 3s, they've just never appealed to me. So I will be giving this a pass. I don't think the shoes are bad. I still think for the prices, this is a pretty good cop. Once again, do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. I really appreciate it. The on feed about to drop right now. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for all the support and I will see you guys next time. Peace.